Good morning, all of you. So this is Trichy Sahodaya question paper. You can see here the same as well. So last Saturday we have been done one question paper. Do you remember? Saturday we have been practiced all. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is the one more question paper. So we'll discuss few questions in this for today's class. So let us see what is the standard and how they are asking the questions and all. Let us come to know. Now the total time is as usual same 90 minutes plus 20 minutes reading time extra I used to get. So totally 120 minutes, 110 minutes I used to get. So now let us come to the section A. How many questions we have to select? Section A we have to attempt only any 20 questions. Okay, so 4 questions out of 24 we have to attempt 20. So now first 20 will be evaluated. So you have to remember, keep it in mind and you have to answer it. So if you 100% if you don't know, so don't go through with that. Even you can avoid it. Don't even try to attempt that also. That is all. So it is very easy only. So compared to ours, we are already preparing advanced than this. So compared to ours, it is easier. It is what even my feeling. So let us discuss and see how it is going to happen. So coming to the first question, what is that first question? When a magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen, it is been converting into it is a first chemical reaction which we have been studying in the class 10. Reactions, equations, reactions.
Magnesium oxide.
Yes, that is what we people know. So magnesium reacting with oxygen, we used to get what? Magnesium oxide. So 2 MgO. So 2 M's. Is it as guys? This is the first reaction. Yes. Very good. So next. Some questions are very simple questions. We don't need to worry about it also even. So now let us see now. So this is based upon the tabular column. Do you remember guys? Tabular column? Which I have been given? Yes. Same based upon. Now check it. Consider the following reaction. So consider the following reaction. We used to get sodium chloride, understanding, reacting sodium chloride plus hydrogen chloride. Next, it will give you iron chloride, ammonium chloride, and lead chloride. So we want to get A, B, C, D. So let us check it. How we people used to do. Here, what is A, B, C, D represents there. So first thing you can check it. Consider the following reaction. Okay. So it contains different kind of things. So you have to do it carefully, how to think it and you have to do it. Here A, B, C are respectively what they are asking. So can you able to answer? First, we want to get lead chloride. Let us come with your answers. Please, all of you listen. Now, known things you tell me. For example, I want to get lead chloride. So, what is the possibility or options here? Can anybody say lead oxide or lead nitrate? If I want to get lead chloride, so D should be what? Anybody? D should be what?
Lead oxide.
Lead oxide or lead nitrate?
Lead oxide.
Check it very carefully. See, lead oxide is one of the product in the decomposition of lead nitrate. It is not. It will never give you lead chloride. Have you checked it?
Yes, sir. PbNO3 twice.
Yeah. So
Lead nitrate.
twice. So what will come? So think carefully and tell me. So now, it's okay. So let us start with the. So okay, you write the formulas. You can understand. NaCl, hydrochloric acid, water, HCl.
HCl.
Next, iron chloride, what? Iron 2 chloride.
FeC.
FeCl2.
FeCl2.
FeCl2. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium what? NH4.
NH4.
NH4 plus NH4Cl.
4Cl.
Cl. So now NH4Cl, you want to get it. Now let us check it now carefully. So we want to get from the hydrogen chloride only, we are getting 3 things. So now hydrogen chloride, if you will react with iron chloride, here who should come? HCl. You can check it. So HCl plus Fe, correct? Fe, because Fe is more reactive than hydrogen. Please never call me a zebra. I like hydrogen.
Yes, sir.
So iron is more reactive than that. So what we used to get? FeCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Is it yes or no, guys? So
Yes,
what
sir.
is B? What is B?
Fe, iron.
Confirm. So all the
Yes, sir.
B is Fe only. Next, let us go with ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride, we want to get NH4Cl. So now hydrogen chloride, HCl plus ammonia. You can check it. HCl plus ammonia will give you what, guys? NH4OH.
NH4OH.
Yes or no? NH4OH
Yes, sir.
plus Cl2 gas. Is it yes, guys? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
So now, what is C? What is C, guys? C is what? NH3 or NH4?
NH3.
Please respond. Sorry, here NH4Cl, NH4
NH.
ammonia chloride plus we used to get hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas we used to get. Yeah. So NH3. So NH3 means what? Two options you can avoid. So NH4OH is there, C option, and here also NH4CH is there. This is we can avoid it. So either NH3, C or D will come. Is it yes, guys? This is a little bit
Yes, sir.
question. So
Sir,
this-
option C, sir.
yeah, wait. Next, let us come with the hydrogen chloride with the lead chloride. We want lead chloride. Check it reaction. Is it will possible with the lead oxide? So we want HCl.
No, sir.
Yeah, HCl. We next what will come? We want to get in product side. We want to get what, Amma? Lead chloride. So lead
chloride.
chloride. So as we know that basically with the diluted acid, lead won't react. It's recently only people studied. Correct? Arvind, are you there?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Arvind asked me, sir, why lead is only reacting with the concentrated HCl? Do you remember, Ra? Yes,
sir.
guys. The tabular column. Do you want to display the tabular column?
No, sir.
Do you have it or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sir, have it, sir.
Hydrochloric acid, lead is not reacted, but it will react with what? Concentrated.
Concentrated
To
acid.
give you what? To give you lead chloride plus hydrogen gas. Is it yes or no, Ra? Please
Yes,
respond.
sir.
Yes. So that is how to remember. So we want to make it what? Lead chloride we want. So hydrochloric acid will react with, if you want to release the hydrogen gas, then what will happen, guys? It needs to react with the lead nitrate.
PbNO3 twice.
Lead nitrate. So then we used to get, what we used to get? Lead chloride plus hydrogen gas plus even a brown color fumes. What is that brown color fumes called?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen dioxide.
Nitrogen
Nitrogen
dioxide.
oxide.
Nitrogen dioxide. That's all. Next, sodium chloride reacting with what? Sodium chloride, NaCl. NaCl reacting with the H2SO4. We used to get what, guys? Sodium is reacting more. We used to get what, guys? Sodium sulfate, NaSO4 plus HCl. Correct?
HCl.
Yes,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Yes. So that is the only HCl we are using another thing. So what is the A? What is A?
H2SO4.
H2SO4. So how we can fix this one? Actually, to fix this A, it won't take more than 1 second because again hydrochloric acid is only coming. So sodium chloride reacting with hydrochloric acid, again hydrochloric acid won't come. Yes or no, guys? So it must
sir.
be with the sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So then only it will give you what? NaSO4, sodium sulfate plus HCl. Is it okay, guys? So what is ABCD? So A is H2SO4, B is iron, C is what?
Ammonia.
Ammonia, and D is lead nitrate. Is it okay, Ra?
Nitrate.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is the one question which is little bit more complicated. Unless until if you are very fast. For me, it will take very less time because I have knowledge on this. But you are also little. Some people are you people can expert. So first see, easy guessing. Have you guessed it, guys? This one,
Yes, sir.
easily we can guess. Easily we can guess. So that by choosing A, we can avoid two options. What is the two options we can avoid?
A and D.
A and
A
D
and
we
D.
can avoid. Next, by seeing C, we can avoid A and B options. Correct, guys? Then what is the correct
Yes,
answer?
sir.
What is the correct
C.
answer? C only. Yes or no?
C.
By using C,
Yes.
we can avoid A and B options. By using A, we can avoid A and D options. Then what is remaining, Ra? C only. That is the correct answer. So we don't need to know even B and D also here. Do yes or no, guys? That is
Yes,
what
sir.
the importance of elimination method. If you are following the elimination method perfectly, 100% you get the answer. Understand everybody? Madhumita, Humaira, Dilipan, Akhil Arfat? Little bit
Yes,
difficult
sir.
question it is. So be
Yes,
very
sir.
careful and you have to solve it. This is what it is. Like these questions, if you have enough time, only you solve. If not, you go for the next question. Next, third question. So write it. Read the question, please. Read the question.
A reactive metal is treated with H2SO4. Gas evolved and is collected over the water as shown in the figure.
First, write that reaction. You must remember that metal plus acid. What will give you products? Check it and tell me. Metal plus acid will give you what?
Salt plus water.
Salt. Metal, not acid plus base. Metal reacting with. Check your notebooks and tell me. Metal plus acid, what it will give you? Metal plus acid. I want to know the answer. Let me see who will answer. Metal plus acid. Anybody? General reaction, metal plus acid, metal hydroxide, metal oxide plus water, what will give you, guys? How many times I should show you? Chemical properties. First chemical property of water. So chemical properties of metal. What will come? Metal plus
The salt.
metal plus acid.
Salt
Metal
plus hydrogen
reacting with the acids. What is that? Yes, somebody is speaking.
Salt plus hydrogen.
Reaction will give you metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Yes or no, guys? That is also diluted.
Yes.
So we used to get metal salt plus hydrogen gas. This is the common equation. Any doubt in this? Remember basic things also you are forgetting. So the gas evolved and collected over the water as shown in the figure. So what is this gas? This bubbles. What is this
Hydrogen,
gas?
sir.
Hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen
That is the importance of knowing the standard equation. This is the common equation for all the metals. Yes or no, guys? Please respond. So what is this bubbles? Bubbles are hydrogen gas. That is how been fixed. Now, and collect over the water is shown figure. The correct conclusion drawn they are asking. Correct conclusion drawn they are asking. One is the gas is hydrogen gas. Any doubt in this? Yes?
No, sir.
Now,
No, sir.
next, the gas bubbles are moving upward. As I said, hydrogen is heavier or air is heavier? Anybody can say. Hydrogen is heavier or air is heavier?
R is heavier.
Is heavier means
Air is
hydrogen is lighter only. So the gas is lighter than the air. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Or no?
Yes, sir.
So the gas is lighter than the air. Next, the gas is SO2. Gas is SO2 wrong. What is that gas? What is that gas?
Hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen.
Only. And that
Hydrogen gas.
hydrogen is lighter than the air. So that what is the correct answer? Both A and
Both A and B.
Both A and B.
So option D is the correct answer. Are you understand everybody? Please kindly
Yes, sir.
your friends.
Yes, sir.
Jesse, understand Jesse? Recall to
Yes, sir.
Arya, call to Pranav and the Dilipan and Dina. Girls also, Bhumika, are you there? Bhumika, Ashika is not there. Ashika and Anusri. Just inform them. Padmavarshini are also not there. Just inform them this. Are you understand, guys? Both A and B. Correct answer. Next question. Let me see who will answer. Nitish, can you answer, Nitish? Seconds you have to answer. This is a balanced equation, as I said. Balanced equation. Let me see who will answer first. You can take it. Anybody.
As indicator species for bioremediation process. Bioremediation with the admission of character of designed microbial.
Yalni, what is happening, Yalni? Which of the following correctly represents a balanced chemical equation? How much time you want? Everybody can check it. Arun Karthikeyan, Bhumika, Jesse,
Sir, option B.
option B, Nitinath.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Nitinath. Yes, first C. Option A I can eliminate directly because here 2 CA is there, but here CA is only there. So I can eliminate this one. Yes, guys.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next. So which one you have been chosen first? Calcium or nitrogen dioxide or oxygen? Which one you have been chosen? So I think here we have to balance. Here we have to balance nitrogen and oxygen only. Correct, guys? You have to check it correctly. So now let us check it oxygen only, because oxygens how many are there? 3 2s are 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 oxygens are there. So if you are having 12 oxygens, your answer is correct. So now let us check it now. So 2 oxygens plus 4 2s are 8 oxygens, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Already balanced. Here 2, 4 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 14. Here 12 is there. So it is wrong. Here also 12 is there. It is wrong. So only we have to 10. 10 means what equation, Ra? Oxygen is the second equation is the correct answer. You can check it. So calcium, 2 calcium. Is it balanced? Next, nitrogen, check it. 4 N2 means 2 plus 2 4 means 2 2s are 4. So 4 nitrogens. So this side also you have 4 nitrogens. So balanced it is also. Now oxygens, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are how much, Ra? Oxygens how much? 12 oxygens. Correct, Ra? Now this side also 2 oxygens, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. So 12 oxygens is balanced. Very good, Nitinath. So which is the correct answer?
Option B.
Sir,
Option B. Yes.
sir, yes, C and D are the same options.
C and D same option. No. Check it. C and D, yeah, almost I think same. Yeah. Correct, Amma. Very good. C and D same option. So we can avoid that too also. Very good, Bhumika. I have not even noticed it. Correct only. Both are same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. That is. So are you understand, Ra? 14
Yes, sir.
oxygen. Okay, Nitinath.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
14 oxygens. 14 oxygens. Very good. Next. 5th question. Read all of you. A sample of soil. You have to read. I won't read. Yalini, Dilipan, all of you read. Madhumita.
A sample of soil is mixed with water and allowed to settle. The clear supernatant solution turns the pH paper yellowish orange. Which of the following would change the color of this pH paper to greenish blue?
So you have to check it.
Sir, antacid, sir.
Greenish blue, yellowish orange. So you people can check it. Who is answering? Somebody answer already.
Ilamadi, sir.
Elamati, very good, Elamati. Arun Karthikeyan, can you answer? Bhumika. Call to Anusri and Akshaya and as well as Padmavarshini, Deena and Pranav. And a few more is missing. Prahasini. Shriya, can you answer this question? Jesse. Very simple, Akilar fun. You can read the question, you can understand. So it is yellowish orange. What is this? Yellowish orange means acidic nature or basic nature?
Acidic in nature, sir. Acidic in nature.
Correct. pH scale, universal indicator. pH scale, it is acidic in nature. Now, which of the following would change the color of this pH into greenish blue? Greenish blue means what, guys?
Indigo.
Greenish blue means
Indigo.
it will be in
Indigo,
basic.
basic.
Correct. Basic color, that is only indigo color. So indigo color. So greenish blue. So means in the sense of which one we have to add. So acid, it must be reacting with the base only. So above things, what is the base here? Lemon juice is acid, vinegar is acid. Now common salt is not.
Common salt
What
and
is the common
antacid
base? So antacid is the only one which is base. So acid reacting with the base, which will give you that is. Understand, Arvind?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. Please, all of you proceed. Are you understand, Varshini? Akhil Irfan? Arya?
yes, sir.
Yes. Next.
Yes,
Next
sir.
question. A student writes 2 incomplete chemical reactions. One is P4 plus 5O2. Next, 2 Mg plus O2. Now, which option completes the reaction to form a balanced chemical equation? Kindly do it. Balance it and tell. Everybody.
Sir, C options.
C option.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
C,
C
sir.
only.
Option C.
Option C. So first one you people maybe don't know. Second one you people know. Yes or no? So first one, those who don't know also no problem. You don't have any problem because second one we know balancing equation. 2 Mg plus O2 will give you what? 2 MgO.
2 MgO.
So
2
2 MgO
MgO.
where it is there? Luckily here
See,
only
sir.
one option we have 2 MgO. Remaining all MgO is not there. That's all. We can go blindly with the 2 MgO, or else phosphorus you can check it. Here P4 is there. So P4 it will come. So 5 plus 5 2s are how much? 10. So 10 oxygens will come. So P4 O10. It is the phosphorus deca oxide. Understanding? So that is P4 O10. So that is the balanced. Is it balanced or not? Please respond me.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
That is.
Yes, sir.
Please all of you do it. Actually, here should come P2O5, phosphorus pentoxide into 2. If you do, how much it will come? 2 2s are 4, 4 2 5s are 10. That is correct answer actually, but I don't know why they have given P4O10. P2O5 will come, which will balance in 2P2O5. Understand, Ra? Then also it is
Okay.
correct only. Okay, that is the correct product. Phosphorus pentoxide. Decoxide, I don't think so. It's okay. Are you understand this question? Himaira,
Sure.
Varshini,
Yes, sir.
Priya, Akshaya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, proceed now. Next. What is the next one? Any reaction that produces a precipitate can be called as? Nitish,
Precipitation reaction.
Nitish, are you there in meeting? Nitish is not there.
There, sir.
Then what is the answer?
Precipitation reaction.
Precipitation reaction.
Precipitation reaction. This is a known reaction for us. Any reaction that produces a precipitate is called as precipitation reaction. Also we can call it as what? Every precipitation reaction is called as what? Double displacement reaction.
Double
Double
displacement
displacement.
That is also have to remember. So if they have given down A and B like that options, then it is both. But here particularly they are asking precipitate. So that what is the correct answer? Precipitation reaction.
C.
Understand, Ma? That is how to
Yes, sir.
remember it. Next question. Read. All of you read fastly. Dilipan, Arya, Anusri, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please read the question and answer. Madhumita, what is happening? Can you now open your mouth? A figure given below represents the experiment carried out between concentrated sulfuric acid and sodium chloride, which react with each other to form hydrochloric gas. Yes, actually this is the first question also. Have you noticed it? Second question, the first reaction, the same thing. This is, do you remember, Ra? In this question paper only, NaCl plus H2SO4 will give you what? Sodium sulfate plus
Yes, sir.
hydrochloric acid, correct? The
Sodium
same
sulfate
equation
plus
here.
Yes,
That
sir.
is what analyzing. When you are solving with the perfectly, definitely analyzing skills will be there. So see, I remembered that question because the same equation it is coming here. So that is why I compared with that. So that now here hydrochloric acid is releasing. Now blue litmus paper is brought near the mouth of the delivery tube to check the presence of HCl acid, but no change is observed in the color of litmus paper. So what is happening?
Litmus
Litmus dry, sir.
Litmus paper
Litmus paper is dry.
used
Used is
dry.
dry.
Litmus paper is
Because
dry.
as we know, acids will show the property only when they are in moist. Yes or no? Actually, the same question, those who practice in that previous question paper, similar question has been appeared. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is not a
Same
new question
question,
for
sir.
us.
Same
Yes,
question.
sir. Same question has been repeated. That is what you have to remember. Next, which substance whose odor change in acid or base media is called as?
Olfactory indicator.
Olfactory
Indicators.
Olfactory indicators. So we have 3 olfactory indicators. One is onion. Next one is vanilla. Next one is
Vanilla essence.
vanilla clove oil. Clove oil. Please, all of you kindly remember clove oil. That's all. So olfactory indicators. Next, carefully. This is nephron structure. Correct, Amma? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Carefully study the diagram and select the appropriate options about this given diagram. Anybody? This is what actually is it a kidney or nephron? It is directly the answer. So you can
Nephron,
see
sir.
units of lungs and reused respiration. It is wrong. C
Nephron,
option
sir,
wrong.
nephron.
So C option
Nephron,
here also
option
it is
B.
also wrong. Next.
Option B.
Yeah.
Option B.
Kidney means we
B, sir,
can say
nephron
it is
glucose
removal
amino
of
acid
waste
salt major of
products.
amount
But
of water or
nephron is a
sodium
what?
salt.
Nephron is a glucose, amino acid, salts, measure of amounts of water are selectively
Option A,
reabsorbed. Yes or no? Nephrons. That is what. So yes, that is what you have to remember here. Who is extracting the wastage first? At where this separation process will start? This U-shaped one. What is this called as? Anybody? What is the
Bowman's capsule.
Bowman's
capsule.
capsules. That is what you have to remember that. Okay, da? That is. Okay, clear? Everybody? So B is the correct answer. Next. 11th question. All of you read. 11th question. 11th question.
Option A, sir. Answer.
Option A, sir.
A, sir.
A.
A, sir.
Yeah. So identify the option that indicates the correct enzyme and its location. Correct enzyme and its location.
A, sir, option A.
Yes, sir. Option A.
A. Option A. How it is? Mouth, salivary amylase.
Mouth, salivary amylase, stomach,
salivary amylase,
pepsin,
stomach.
pancreas,
So,
trypsin, sir.
this is the common question. Do you remember? I told you 1,000 times. Definitely
Yes,
from
sir.
this one
Yes, sir.
question will come. So which body part which will release which kind of enzymes? That is most important. So pancreas will release 3 enzymes. What is that? Trypsin, lipase and amylase. Yes or no?
Lipase and amylase.
Our stomach will release pepsin. Our small intestine will release intestinal juices. And our bile juice is released by what? Liver. And bile juice is
Liver.
stored by
Yes, sir, liver,
bile juice is stored by gallbladder.
gallbladder.
And our mouth will releases what? Salivary amylase. So it will digest starch. Yes or no? That is. So
Yes, sir.
so here you can check it. This is the direct question. Within seconds we can answer. Correct? So mouth, which is salivary amylase, stomach, pepsin, and pancreas, trypsin. But you remember both pepsin and trypsin are active in acidic medium or basic medium. Both will be active on acidic medium only. That is how to remember. Understand, Madhumita, Elamati, Arya, Anusri, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. So kindly remember that. Tarani, now only you joined. Yes. Arun Gardike, next question, please read. Next question. It
Lymph,
is
sir,
similar to
lymph,
plasma
lymph,
of red but colorless and
lymph,
contains less
lymph, sir.
proteins.
D, option D.
Lymph.
Lymph.
So
Option D.
lymph. This is also similar question. So last question paper we have been got. What is that, Nitina? Last question paper. What is the another fluid along with the blood which is present in our body? Yes or no? That is lymph.
Yes,
So here also
Lymph.
a colorless and contains less proteins is lymph only because red blood cells rest. Next, veins also it contains blood only. Next, carbon dioxide is a gas, not at all even similar to that. So we can leave that. Next, the presence of, all of you read this. Yes, you can see here. Yeah, the separation of right side, 14th question, correct? Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Both A and B, sir.
Sir,
So both A and B.
D.
What is that?
Both A and B, sir.
Yeah,
Both A and B.
separation. The separation of the right and left side of the heart is useful for dash. Keeping oxygenated and deoxygenated blood from the mixing. Next, the separation allow a highly efficient supply of oxygen to the body, or A only or A to B. So the separation of right
A
to the
and B.
left side of
Both
the
A and
heart
B.
is useful for what? Both. It is meant to separate the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, and as well as to make the sufficient supply of oxygen to the body. Correct, guys? So that is why
Yes, sir.
option D is the correct one. That is what? Both A and B. Yes
Both
or
A and
no? That is. Next, 14th one. Blood pressure is measured with an instrument. At a high blood pressure is said to be called as. I taught you this one. So blood pressure is measured with a called guys. Sphygmomanometer. Yes or no? So sphygmomanometer. That is the instrument which we used to use. So first option we can avoid and the last option we can avoid. So now,
Sir.
yeah. So at high blood pressure is called as what, guys? High blood pressure.
Hypertension.
Hypertension. Low blood pressure.
Hypertension.
Hypertension.
Low blood pressure.
Option C, sir.
Low blood
Hypotension.
pressure. is called,
Hypotension, sir.
yeah, hypotension. So be very careful. So here they are asking high blood pressure. So that it is what? Tell
Option
me.
C.
Hyper.
Option C.
Hypertension, sir.
Very good. Hypertension it is. Okay, ma. All of you, do you understand?
Yes.
Ani, Dilipan, Madhumita? Yes. Next. Next question. Observe the stomatal diagram, which is responsible for closing and opening of the stomatal force. Directly you can say, what is this question? It is not even a
God.
question at all. Correct, guys?
God.
What is that? God cells of the
God
stomach.
cells of some.
God cell of the stomach.
Direct question. Next. Which of the following mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles? Direct.
Convex.
Convex.
Convex mirror. Convex.
Convex mirror.
Because it is a virtual and will make you to see the wider view. Yes or no? Increases the view.
Yes,
So that is what you have to remember it. Okay, guys? Wider view. Next. The image of an object placed in front of a convex mirror is formed at dash. Is formed at. The image of the is only 3 options given. Yeah. So fourth option is missing. Oh, here it is missing. Even this question is not proper. This is the fourth option. So the image of an object placed in front of a concave mirror is formed at where, guys? Please.
Behind mirror, sir.
Behind the mirror.
Behind the
Correct?
mirror.
That is direct
Behind
question
the
is
mirror,
also
sir.
for us. Behind the mirror. Yes, guys. Yes, that is. Is it a difficult question, Ra? Next. Velocity of light in air is 3.3 into 10 power 8. White light is velocity medium is 1.8. What is the refractive index of that medium they are asking? So 3 divided by 1.5. How much, guys? It is a 2, I think. Yes, guys? Directly.
Three, sir.
So 1.1 is 1.2, which is equals to 2. So 2 is the answer.